Yo, what is good, you? So my name is Unk, not UNC, not Uncle. But in today's video, I'm gonna show y'all niggas how to make a Fortnite thumbnail. And like, I'm gonna make another one where like it just has your face, like for a reaction video, or literally any type of video that you want to do. But in today's video, it's gonna be Fortnite because I gotta make like myself. I gotta make a thumbnail. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Now this here is an example of what we'll be making. It's gonna be like this: a Fortnite character, background, text, and maybe some other stuff. Alright.
Okay, so this is what we'll be making today.
This is Photoshop, by the way, I forgot to say. Well, of course it's Photoshop, but literally you can use Pixlr X or whatever. It's basically the same thing as Photoshop. It's just Photoshop is obviously better. But you wanna click create new. Do 1280 by 720. 1280 by 720. Create pixels. Make sure I forgot. Alright, so we have this a blank canvas. Alright. Now open your search browser or whatever it's called, web browser. Search up Fortnite background landscape. You don't have to. You can use whatever background you want, but just find the one you like and download that. I like this one, so you wanna right click, save image as, and save it as what you want. Alright, and then what you wanna do is you wanna find a Fortnite render 3D, or Fortnite skin render 3D, Fortnite skin render 3D. Oh yeah, PNG transparent background images like these. I don't mean necessarily like I don't really like these ones that Google does. So really go on YouTube. Search up Fortnite render pack Google Drive, and like there's some good ones. Alright, so I got my render drive here. This is not mine, by the way. Of course it's not mine. I don't have Blender. Alright, but so you want to pick one, go back into Photoshop, go open up your folder, drag in your background first. Alright, and then adjust this to how you want. I'm gonna zoom it in a little bit because I like zooming it in. Just in my opinion, it's just better. Try to center as well as you can. If you can, it's good. Now you want to go up here, filter, blur, Gaussian blur. And put this a little bit more up. That's good. Now go to here, image, adjustments, brightness / contrast. Put the brightness down. I like doing this myself. And then put the contrast up, or just like literally just mess around with it and see like what you like. Me personally, I like that. And if you want to, you can also add a coloring, which I'm going to do. Oh yeah. You go here, effects, color overlay, and then I'm gonna do a green one because it's like more like, you know. Alright, that's good. Now you want to drag in your render that you downloaded. Alright, so I found this one that I liked. I'm gonna stretch it a little bit out. Yeah, that's good. You want to zoom it in, but not too much. In my opinion, that's good. And then go to effects. This is what I do personally. You don't have to. Go to effects, stroke. Alright, make this color white. Outside, normal, opacity 100. No, don't check that. And filter color, size 5. And then come here, outer glow, check that. Black color, noise 0, opacity 100. Blend mode normal, technique softer, spread 100, size 13. Okay. And then drop shadow. Drop shadow is blend mode. I mean, I don't really have to tell you. You guys can just look. Alright. So boom. Alright, boom. We got that. Boom. Boom. Alright. Now I'm gonna zoom this in a little bit more. Alright. Now we're gonna have our text. We're gonna get our text. You want your title and the thumbnail title to be different, okay? The thumbnail title has to be appealing in small. I mean, not small, in short. Alright, so how to. Alright, now I'm gonna come here, FX, gradient overlay. So blend mode normal, gradient. I did yellow and orange, linear, boom, 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 boom. Outer glow, and then shadow. That's it. The stroke. You can add this stroke, like I wanna, you know, make. Out of that effects. Nope. Not means to do color overlay. Gradient overlay again. Out of A. Same thing again. Gradient overlay. How to make a Fortnite. I think just carry this with every word you wanna. I'll make this one though. Last word for me. No. That's not it, bro. Like we're not done yet. Okay. Alright, so it's looking good. if you need to. If something's bothering you, just resize your thing, your character. What I like to do is put my character in front of the text. I don't know why, I just like it, you know. And then you're gonna want to go on your web browser again, Vignette PNG transparent image, and then don't look for this one, because this isn't truly transparent. Try to find one like this, right? Or not. Or not. Alright, like this, because like if the picture itself is white and if it's already like PNG, it doesn't work. Trust me. So you want to download this. I don't need to because I already have it. And then what you're gonna have, want to find is this speed lines PNG transparent. Just looks nice in my opinion. The one that I got exactly, no, it wasn't that. Actually, it was that. Yeah, it was this right here. So download it. Again, make sure that the background isn't already transparent. Yeah. Alright, so now what you want to do is open your file explorer, get the file that you downloaded. I'm not gonna show mine because private stuff. Put it in, resize it to how you like. Me personally, I like it like this, like on the edge, like that. Right now, you want your speed lines. I got them. So you want to put this under the vignette. Go here, normal, and then look throughout. Oh yeah, and resize it. It just looks better. Alright, just gonna like look throughout these color dodge that look like color dodge. I'm digging with color dodge, but you can go throughout any of these and select whichever one you want. And yeah, that's how you make a Fortnite thumbnail. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace out.